Today I'm going to show you how to use the Upbeat link that's linked to your Schoology in order to submit your practice and performance rounds of your Upbeat concert. So I'm in first hour choir under the updates tab. Here's my link that I can use to get to where I need to be. I've already put that up here. You're going to come to a screen that should look like this. Upbeat perform recording. You'll press continue. Even though it says headphones are required to record, if you're not using headphones, you're going to pretend like you are anyway. I do recommend that you use headphones when you do this. That way it blocks out all of the sounds that are occurring around you. It'll just make for a better recording. So my first name, my last name, performer, instrument. Since you are choir, you're going to click soprano or alto. Leave part 1 as is. Just leave it alone. You don't need to do anything with that. All of this is going to remain the same. Please don't change any of this. Leave this as is, and you'll press continue. And then it's going to say record or start recording. You'll record yourself, and then at the very end, it will have you listen back to it. I recommend you do listen back to your recording. I know it's not exactly exciting to listen to ourselves talk. It's kind of cringy, but it's going to help you understand if you're with it or not. Now, mine hasn't loaded yet because I'm filming this at the school, and my laptop does not like the Wi-Fi at the school. But once you do your recording, you will submit it to me, and that's how you're going to get it turned in. Nothing is going to be turned in through Schoology for these two things that we're doing. It's just through Upbeat. Oh, finally, it's up. So you'll press start recording. I don't even know if you can hear it on this end. I don't think you can hear any of it. So there'll be 8 little clicks that go through. And then what it's going to do is it's going to listen, and Mrs. Churchill's part will be playing. When I push stop recording, it's going to give me options to redo. I can listen to it. Or if I press continue, that means that I have selected this to be something I'm turning in. Okay. You can always redo it, you can preview it, and then you'll submit. After you submit, it will be in the app for me, and I can listen to it there. If you have further questions, please make sure you reach out to me.